Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to unload specific CSS and JS file from home page or any page or post in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write asset cleanup. So this is plugin asset cleanup page speed booster we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see asset cleanup. So click on it. Now setting open and scroll down you see test mode. So click on it. If you want you can enable test mode so your changes not show to visitor. Now we are going to enable and then click on update all setting so our changes not show to visitor. Now setting saved and then you see CSS and JS manager. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see home page URL. Then you see post pages. You see different option. So this is our home page URL. Scroll down. You see all plugin we used in our website. Now you see contact form 7. You see total files 12 .css and .js file from plugins. Now you see file source. So this is our file source and then you see unload on this page. If you want you can enable this option. Now this file unload on home page. If you want you can unload site wide everywhere and if you want you can unload JS on all pages of page post type. So this is our JS file. Now scroll down you see other files of contact form 7. This is also JS file. If you want you can unload on this home page. Now you see another plugin jQuery validation for contact form 7. Now you see this is our CSS file. If you want you can unload this page. So this CSS file not load on home page. Now scroll down you see all plugin we used and all CSS and JS file. Also you see WooCommerce and then click on update. Now setting saved. Now you see post or page. So click on it. Now page section open and then you see search field. So write here page name. So this is our page name download file. So select. Now scroll down you see all detail. Now fetching detail from this page. Now detail show you see from plugin .css and .js file total files 20 contact form 7. If you want you can unload this page to download file page. So we are going to unload specific CSS and JS file on specific page. Now you see all JS and CSS file. So you can unload files according to your requirement and then click on update. And after update back to setting. So we are going to disable test mode. Now you see setting. So click on it. Now setting open. You see test mode enable. Now disable and then click on update all setting. Now setting saved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.